What if I told you Ferrari didn't build the F80 to compete with supercars? They built it to compete with Formula 1 itself. This is not just another Ferrari. This is not a LaFerrari replacement. And this is definitely not made for casual drivers. The Ferrari F80 is Ferrari asking one dangerous question. What happens when we stop caring about comfort and only care about lap times? And today, we are breaking down why the Ferrari F80 might be Ferrari's most extreme car of the 21st century, built with pure Formula 1 thinking, F1 hybrid logic and race car mentality. Stay till the end because this car could change what Ferrari means forever. Ferrari doesn't make cars randomly. Ferrari makes statements. The F80 exists because Formula 1 changed Ferrari. In modern F1, power is no longer just horsepower, it's energy recovery, thermal efficiency, hybrid deployment, and aerodynamic dominance. Ferrari learned one thing from F1, the fastest car is the smartest car. The Ferrari F80 is designed with this exact philosophy, a road car that thinks like an F1 car, not feels like one. Every surface, every angle, every gram exists to serve performance logic, not beauty. And that's why the F80 looks aggressive, raw, and almost intimidating. The Ferrari F80 doesn't look beautiful, it looks purposeful, and that's the biggest compliment. Just like a Formula 1 car, the F80's design is not emotional, it's functional aggression. The sharp nose, inspired by F1 front-wing airflow control. The massive side channels, designed to pull air aggressively into cooling tunnels, exactly like F1 side pods. The rear, that's not styling, that's downforce engineering. Ferrari engineers likely focused on one thing only, maximum downforce without drag penalties, just like in Formula 1. This is not a car you admire. This is a car that intimidates the road. Now let's talk about the heart, because this is where Formula 1 DNA becomes undeniable. Ferrari F80 is expected to use a V6 hybrid system, not a V12, and that's not cost-cutting. That's F1 logic. In Formula 1, Ferrari proved one thing, a smaller engine plus hybrid system equals more usable power. The F80's engine philosophy is simple. Smaller displacement, higher rev efficiency, aggressive hybrid boost, instant torque delivery, just like an F1 power unit. This is not about top speed numbers, this is about how fast the power arrives. Ferrari wants the F80 to feel like power is already there. Before you even ask, this is where the F80 becomes dangerous. Ferrari's hybrid knowledge doesn't come from road cars, it comes from years of F1 energy recovery systems. The F80 is expected to use electric motors for instant torque, battery deployment optimized for corner exits, regenerative braking inspired by F1, meaning every time you brake, the car is thinking ahead, storing energy, preparing to attack. Just like an F1 car exiting a corner, this is not eco-friendly hybrid tech. This is lap time-obsessed hybrid warfare. Everyone will ask, how fast is it? How much horsepower? What's the 0-100 time? But Ferrari doesn't care. Ferrari F80 is not built for drag races. It's built for corners, braking zones, and racetracks. Just like Formula 1. Expect sub-3 seconds 0-100 extreme lateral grip, brutal acceleration, out of corners, surgical steering response, but more importantly, expect confidence at the limit. The F80 is designed to make professional level performance accessible. That's terrifying and beautiful. The Ferrari F80 likely uses a carbon fiber monocoque inspired by F1 safety cells. This means extreme rigidity, ultra low weight, precise feedback. In Formula 1, the chassis is the soul. Ferrari understands this better than anyone. The F80 structure is designed to talk to the driver. Warn before the limit, reward precision. This is not a car that forgives mistakes. This is a car that educates you brutally. Forget luxury, forget comfort. The Ferrari F80's interior is expected to feel like a fighter jet cockpit, a Formula 1 command center, minimal screens. Driver-focused layout, every control angled toward performance. This is not where you relax, this is where you lock in. Ferrari wants the driver to feel, I'm not driving a car, I'm operating a machine. LaFerrari was emotional. F80 is surgical. LaFerrari celebrated Ferrari's past. F80 threatens Ferrari's future. LaFerrari wanted to impress. F80 wants to dominate. This is not evolution. This is philosophical rebellion. Ferrari F80 represents a Ferrari that is Less romantic, more technical, more aggressive, more Formula 1 driven Ferrari F80 might be Ferrari's best car of the 21st century because it fully embraces F1 technology, it prioritizes performance over nostalgia, it prepares Ferrari for electrified racing. Future, it defines a new hypercar category. This car is not chasing competitors. It's creating a new benchmark. The Ferrari F80 is not meant for everyone. It's meant for drivers, not collectors, racers, not influencers, purists who respect engineering. This car represents Ferrari saying, we are a racing team first, and a luxury brand second, and if Ferrari builds the F80 exactly like this, then yes, this might be Ferrari's greatest car of the 21st century. So the real question isn't, is the Ferrari F80 fast? The real question is, are drivers ready for a Ferrari that thinks like Formula 1? If you enjoyed this deep dive, this is DriveSphere, where cars are not just reviewed, they are understood.